IT Expo, Los Angeles, California, 2008.
Hi again, welcome. I'm Eric Lanass, coming to you from the LA Convention Center at IT Expo, day 3 of the show. I'm here with Brady Cox, who's the VP of Sales at Zeacom. Welcome, Brady.
Welcome. Thank you.
We were just talking to a couple folks who have a call recording product, and I know that from recent conversations with you and with Ernie and some other folks at Zeacom, that's one of the things that I always thought might have been missing from your solution. But as I understand it, you've addressed that issue.
Yes, we have. Yep. So you're right. We've got a lot of contact center functionality that's been built up over the last 14 years, and there's been 2 applications that we didn't cover. So workforce management still remains one of those. We integrate into all the main workforce management applications, and recording. So we've had to work with other third parties to do that. So there's high enough demand amongst our significant customer base to go out and buy an innovative little company.
So you're going to take the Me Audio product and integrate it into your existing.
Absolutely. So there's work underway already to take the administrative front ends, the reporting engines, even the database, and merge it with the rest of our application. We're quite big on having one point of contact for all of the applications.
Of course. What kind of a time frame are you looking at for that integration process?
It's 6 months sort of transition. Yeah.
Good. So a little bit after we talk again in Miami.
Yeah.
Good.
Yep.
I know that you've also been enhancing the product with your conferencing solution.
Yep. Yep. So, as I mentioned, we've been developing this, adding bits and pieces for the last 14 years. The latest release for the last 14 years, the latest release is version 5, and that has 2 very exciting applications. One's the conferencing. It's a graphical user interface for controlling the audio bridge. So it's a SIP-based application. Up to 64 ports, where you can, all the cool things you can do with graphical users. So I can mute Renee if she's talking too loudly. I can drop her off if she is annoying us as well as talking too loudly. Yep. We can break off into a little conference bridge and talk for a bit and then come back into a room, all using graphical drag and drop on the screen. So that's already been received very well by our main resellers and partners. The other thing is taking all the desktop telephony, the true, unified communications, presence type applications, and extend them out to the BlackBerry, to other Windows mobile phones. So we've got little desktop applications which, give you all of that presence, phone book directory, touch to dial, and so on, and a web portal. So you can go to the internet and drive communications as if you're at your desk.
That's kind of neat, though, because one of the things that you do offer is really being able to change all your settings and features directly from your mobile. You don't have to go to the web portal. You don't have to be in your office at your desk.
That's right. I've done it 6-7 times today already, just getting numbers I don't have in my BlackBerry contacts, seeing whether my staff are actually available or not. Yeah, very useful.
What, in your opinion, what are a couple of the neatest features that you guys offer?
Across the board or within those 2 new modules?
I would say let's stick with mobility for now.
Okay, so the mobility is tied into I think it has to be the presence story. We have one aspect of our presence story is quite unique. We obviously do, are they on the phone, are they sitting at their desk moving their mouse, but we also have what we call activity presence, which is when you change your voicemail, we allow 99 different profiles of voicemail greetings. If you change it to traveling on business, that activity presence is displayed across the enterprise and, of course, on the BlackBerry or the appropriate phone. So the activity presence, being able to see not only are people available, but what are they doing and how long are they going to be doing it for? In an office, out of the office, in a conference, traveling.
So you've got it set right now for attending IT Expo.
That's right. Yep.
Excellent.
Yep. And everyone can see it.
Now, of course, you can see your entire organization if you need to on your interface. But you've got some buddy lists that you've incorporated now too, right?
Yeah, we don't call them buddy lists at this point. The industry calls them buddy lists, but in fact, it's interesting. Everyone seems to have gone for a long list, and it literally is a buddy list. We have taken the full real estate of our application, so they're presence tabs is what we call them. So there's a tab for the New Zealand office, the UK office, the Australian office, and, as opposed to a list for all of those things.
Fantastic. Anything exciting in the pipeline for Zeacom?
Yeah, I think we've actually at the point now where we've done so much innovative stuff we're rounding back out again, and then I can't actually talk to one piece of technology that's coming out soon, but yeah, it's...
Well, we certainly look forward to hearing more about that. We've been talking with Brady Cox, Vice President of Sales at Zeacom. Thanks for joining me, Brady.
Thanks for your time.
And maybe we can go set our presence indicators on at the pub now.
That's right. Good idea.